Your 30s can feel like the most important decade of your life. You're earning more money, maybe starting a family, and building your future. But here's the shocking truth. This is also the decade where most people make their biggest financial mistakes, and these mistakes can quietly steal your wealth for decades. So today, let's talk about the 7 biggest money mistakes people make in their 30s and how you can avoid them. In your 30s, it's tempting to spend money as soon as you get it. Promotions, raises, and bonuses feel like a reward you deserve to enjoy. But if you keep living paycheck to paycheck, you'll never build real wealth. Many people confuse enjoying life with overspending on short-term pleasures. The truth is, your 30s are when compounding works best for you if you save early. Life feels stable in your 30s. So many people skip building an emergency fund. They assume their steady income will always protect them. But one medical bill, job loss, or family emergency can shake everything. Without savings, you're forced into debt just to survive. And that single mistake can set you back for years. Credit cards, car loans, and even lifestyle loans become normal in this decade. You tell yourself it's manageable because you're earning more. But debt is like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar stolen from your future. And yet, so many people don't even realize how much they're losing. Buying a home feels like the ultimate milestone in your 30s. But rushing into it without planning can become a financial burden. Huge mortgages, hidden costs, and property taxes can chain you down for decades. Instead of freedom, you feel trapped by bills. So the big question is, are you buying a dream or a lifelong debt? One of the biggest mistakes in your 30s is waiting too long to invest. Many people keep waiting for the right time or fear losing money. But every year you delay, you lose the power of compounding. Your 30s are your golden years to grow wealth faster. If you miss this window, catching up later becomes almost impossible. Retirement feels so far away in your 30s. That's why many people don't take it seriously. But every dollar saved today can turn into hundreds by the time you retire. If you wait until your 40s or 50s, you'll have to save double or triple just to catch up. Why would you delay giving your future self that security? You get a raise, and suddenly your car, phone, or vacation also gets an upgrade. This is lifestyle inflation, and it silently kills wealth. Instead of investing the extra income, people spend it to match their friends or coworkers. The result? More income, but the same financial stress. It's like running on a treadmill. You move fast, but never go forward. In your 30s, health feels natural, so you don't think about medical costs. But ignoring health insurance or skipping healthy habits can cost you big later. A sudden accident or illness without coverage can destroy savings overnight. Medical debt is one of the top reasons for bankruptcy in the US. So protecting your health is protecting your wealth. If you have kids in your 30s, it's natural to give them the best. But many parents overspend on clothes, toys, or schools while ignoring their own savings. The truth is, your children need your financial stability more than luxury. If you're drowning in debt, it affects them too. The best gift you can give them is financial security. Relying only on your job feels safe, but it's risky. What if that job disappears tomorrow? Most people in their 30s don't think about side hustles or passive income, but having multiple income streams gives freedom and security. It's the difference between surviving and thriving when life changes. In your 30s, social media makes you compare your life to others. You see vacations, cars, and big houses, and you feel left behind. But what you don't see is their debt or struggles. Comparison pushes people to spend money they don't have, and that's how financial stress spreads like a virus. Most people never take time to actually learn about money. They work hard, earn more, and yet don't know how to manage it. Without financial education, mistakes keep repeating. A small decision like not understanding interest rates can cost thousands. Imagine the power if you just invested time in learning. That daily coffee, weekend dinners, or streaming subscriptions don't feel like much, but when you add them up over a year, it's thousands of dollars. Many 30-year-olds ignore these tiny leaks in their budget, but small leaks sink big ships. Controlling small expenses is the fastest way to free up money for savings. Taxes can eat a big part of your income if you don't plan. Many people ignore deductions, credits, or retirement accounts that save money. They give away thousands every year without realizing it. Smart tax planning can be like getting a free raise, so why wouldn't you use the system to your advantage? Without clear goals, money slips through your fingers. Many 30-year-olds don't define what they want in 5 or 10 years. Without a vision, they just spend whatever comes. But money is a tool, not just paper. Without direction, it controls you instead of you controlling it. In your 30s, friends, coworkers, or family may pressure you into spending. Saying no feels awkward, so you agree to dinners, trips, or purchases. But every yes to them is a no to your financial future. Learning to set boundaries is powerful. Sometimes protecting your wallet means protecting your peace. With the rise of online scams and fast money promises, many fall into traps. In desperation to grow money fast, they lose it all. Real wealth is built slow and steady, not overnight. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Yet, people in their 30s still keep falling for it. Many people see insurance as an extra expense, but in reality, it's protection against financial disasters. Life insurance, health insurance, and disability coverage are often skipped. But one accident can drain everything you worked for. Insurance is not about today, it's about protecting tomorrow. If you're married or in a relationship, money conversations are vital, but many couples avoid it to escape conflict. This silence leads to fights, secrets, and financial stress. Open conversations build trust and teamwork with money. After all, two people rowing in the same direction move faster. Life changes a lot in your 30s. Marriage, kids, career, or moving cities. But many people don't update their financial plans with these changes. Old plans may not fit new realities. Without updates, you miss opportunities or expose yourself to risks. Money management is not set it and forget it. Believe it or not, your network is also part of your wealth. In your 30s, people focus only on their job and ignore building relationships. But the right connection can lead to opportunities, promotions, or investments. Ignoring networking means limiting your growth. Money grows faster when people grow together. The biggest lie in your 30s is believing, I have time. You think savings, investing, and retirement can wait. But every delay costs years of potential growth. Time is the one thing you can never get back. The earlier you start, the easier your future becomes. Your 30s are full of opportunities, but also hidden traps. Every mistake may look small today, but it grows bigger tomorrow. The good news is, you can avoid them with awareness and planning. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on long-term goals. Remember, the smartest money decision is the one you make today, not tomorrow. So, which of these mistakes have you seen around you, or maybe even made yourself? Don't worry, it's never too late to change. If you want to learn how to actually build wealth step by step, check out our video on how to save and invest in your 30s. And if you're curious about avoiding lifestyle inflation, that video is right here waiting for you. Click on one and keep leveling up your financial journey with us.